Hello guys, how are you? Hope all are well, wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel. And previous video we've seen if else statement, how to do it, and then we learn how to do the for loop in Python. In this video we will go through the while loop, how to do the while loop. So first I've created a two variable, one the number which I assigned 0, and another is maximum number which I assigned 10, just for example. So I'm saying while that number is 0 is less than 10, max number is a 10. So I'm printing here the number is, and then updating the number here, the number with 0 plus, which is another way I can write the same thing, number equal to and the number plus 1, either way you can write the short form is like this. So if I don't update number, the while loop will run forever, so it will never stop, so unless the condition is met, the while loop will continue to run. Once is met condition, it will stop, so if I run this, as you can see, it will from 0 to all the way to 9, because is less than 10, so 9 is less than 10. So let's say if I just stop in here, I wouldn't update, so as you can see it will run continue non-stop. So you have to stop it either in here or control C. So so it's very important to update the condition, if we don't update conditions, it will run forever. So if you want to do less than equal to 10, then it will be a while number. Once the number is 10, equal to 10, will print out until 10, from 0 to 10. So this is how we can run the while loop, you can create a while loop in Python. So I just create the maximum number 5, so it will do until 5, 0 to 5. So I hope you guys understood how to create the while loop, so it's very important to update the number in here, otherwise it will run continue, so yeah, I mean you could use the break and continue stuff nested loop and things these are kind of more complex, but I'll go through the how to create the break, how to do the continue, how to do return within the functions and stuff in the next video. See you next video. Thanks. Bye bye.